Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see the Fibonacci series using list in Python. So, what is Fibonacci series basically? So, it is such a series where two numbers sum would be the next third number. Okay, so let's say if you are having 0 and 1 as a starting, so next number would be 1. That would be the addition of previous two numbers. That means 0 plus 1 equals to 1, right? Now 0 1 1 we received out three numbers, so 1 plus 1 would be 3, so sorry 2. So that means the previous two numbers sum would be the current number. That is what kind of series we need to print. For that I am going to take an variable n, which is going to take the integer kind of input from user by the help of input function. I'm going to take here the statement for user just to enter the number of terms. So up till where you want the number of terms Fibonacci series, I want to create out a list, empty list here with the free series variable. Now I am going to give initially two variables value. Let's say a and b would be initially as 0 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to use out a for loop here where in range it would be n. So here we are going to append one by one the values of a, and we are going to just simply update the values of a and b. So simply a plus b would be the next bit term, and here we will simply print out Fibonacci series, and we'll just give the variable. So if I just try to run the program, so I just want up till 10 terms. You can see here that 0 plus 1 would be 1, 1 plus 1 would be 2, 2 plus 1 would be 3, so and up till 10 terms I received as Fibonacci series, right? What I did, I've taken the input from user, I've created out an empty list, I have given the a and b's value, we have just updated the logic. A plus b just became the c, b became a plus b, right? So we have just updated out the things, and we just print out our result, which was stored in with the help of Fib series and append function. So I hope you guys understood the concept of Fibonacci series in Python. Thank you so much.